Clarksville Diggers at you on an evening night. We got a big bad storm coming in from the west. Got a long line. Oh, did you see that? Now that was cool. That was really neat. Gonna give you a little bit of a light show here. Kind of let you know a little bit what we got coming on. That was really cool. Seems like the majority of it, the real hot spot, is coming right back over there. Mother Nature at her best. We've been this storm's produced some tornadoes in Arkansas. We're under a tornado watch right now. Ooh, that was pretty. But this thing could look deadly. And it's coming at us. Pray God, keep your hand on this town and on this house. Here comes the wifey. Just getting some shots, some video of this lightning. Had a cool one earlier. Oh, so got a little action coming up here. Right there's where top of my chimney is. Come on, let's do it again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's get some good lightning. Boom. The heavens are rumbling tonight, folks.
Pretty. Ooh.
There we go. Oh, did you see that? Free light show. It's better than any concert. Won't be long. Gonna have to put this down probably because that storm is getting closer. Fire pits right over there, which you can't see. We're at nighttime. Hopefully they can get us a good lightning bolt show.
Sorry it's so grainy.
Yeah, but when it when it does its thing, it looks pretty cool.
Yeah.
Ooh, ooh, ah.
Fireworks.
Yeah,
Hi, baby.
nature's fireworks. All right, y'all be safe. Clarksville Diggers, Joanne and I says bye, and y'all hunker down if you're anywhere near.